Hello friend, I'm Yogesh, and in last class we had done one LED pattern program. In the same series we are moving forward and we will do the another pattern of LED pattern 2. In the next video we will make one more video and then we will conclude about the LED pattern. So for this project I am using the old program. Just now what we had made it, same project I am using, and what I have to do is here I have to toggle the port but in a some specific manner. So what I am writing 0 cross 55, and then I'll copy paste this thing and then I'll write AA. A delay I want to reduce little bit, like maybe around 800 or 8000 or something. That you can have more and less. You can try, even you can have 800 or 80 or whatever you want. You can have it and check the effect of that. And what is this 55 and AA, that I will explain you one time so that you will understand what's the meaning of that. So see, like 0 cross 55 means 0 cross means hexadecimal number. So 5 means 0101 and this is 0101, this is 5, and 0 cross AA means 1010 1010. So you see each and every LED is toggling, changing. So once you do this, what you will be getting, consider this is the 8 LED you will be getting. This is the 8 LED you are getting. So one time this will on and then off, on off, on off, on off. So what we will see, this looks like a LED pattern, is moving LED pattern we will be getting. So once you do, you will understand what I am saying. Let's save this project and build it, and then just go for download it. So load the file and update the chip and reset and done. Hey, bingo. So programming is done, and wow, LED pattern is already there. Port 0 you connect with LED port and it's available. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Play around it, play around this delay, try to change the delay, write something else and see what is happening. You will be able to understand what is happening. And in the next program we will be making one more pattern, and then we will be winding up this LED pattern, and then we may be moving for the next. So thanks for watching, have a nice day. Like us, subscribe us. If any comment is there, write about it. If we are making any mistake, please comment it. And if you want to have the board, write to us. We will be sharing with you the all information, and we are really excited to come with the full embedded course we are sharing here, and I am sure you people will be getting benefit with it. You share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much.